guys, so this is my video on what I eat in a day on Weight Watchers. Well, what I eat on a work day, because what I eat for work and then what I eat on the weekends is a bit different. So yeah, and I'm also going to be going over some recipes on the app. So if you guys want to see more of that, I'll be happy to film and let you guys know what I think. And I also have the cookbook too, so I'll film some of that, and then you guys won't even have to buy the book because I'll just give you the recipe all free. So yeah, let me know what you guys think. Sorry if I'm being weird, it's my first video, but hope you guys enjoy. Bye. Guys, so I just wanted to film what I eat for breakfast and lunch at work. So for breakfast, I'm going to be having this 310 protein shake, which is 1 point, and then some unsweetened vanilla almond milk, which is also 1 point for 12 fluid ounces. So the reason why I'm having this breakfast compared to this is what I usually have is because this pack is 7 points. Like, I don't know about you guys, but this is actually a lot. And the reason why I've been kind of having to eat this is because I got a huge pack from Costco before I was on Weight Watchers, and I kind of have to eat it before it goes bad. But yeah, I would not recommend getting these. I didn't know they would be so high in points, but yeah. I'm doing this for breakfast tomorrow. And then for lunch, this right here is going to be 3 points. I have some Weight Watchers Mexican cheese, with some tomatoes, lettuce, some leftover ground chicken, with some Greek yogurt and some taco sauce. So here's 3-point meal. I'm not sure if I said that or not before. But yeah, the reason why I'm kind of going a little bit low at breakfast and lunch is because I'm going to be having penne alla vodka for dinner, and I actually found a recipe on the Weight Watchers app, but it is 11 points, so it is a little bit higher, so I kind of wanted to make my breakfast low, or else I would normally have this. I mean, they're good and they keep me full, don't get that wrong, but they're pretty high. They're pretty high points. So yeah, if you guys want any more videos, or if you want me to show you the recipe, I think I probably will, and tell you guys how I feel about it. I don't remember what I'm going to say, but yeah. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Hey guys, so I forgot to film the making of this, but this is what it came out. It's actually day 2 because it makes a lot. And yeah, it's pretty good. I would just recommend putting a little bit more salt. I know it's not the best thing, but it does need a little salt. But overall, I give it about an 8 out of 10.